It's a beautiful morning, and I'm going to do some maintenance on the trike. I want to show you how I do this using just an ordinary little jack stand. This is a car jack stand, so it can hold, thousands of pounds, so it's plenty sturdy for the trike. This is a TerraTrike GT, and there's a crossbar, and I just pick up the trike and put it on the jack stand and it holds it quite nicely. And it's just a coincidence that it's orange to match the trike. I like that. This is my second trike. My first one I had for about 3-4 years. Never used a stand on it. It made things very difficult to work on. I'm glad I got this stand. You can see it's very sturdy, and I can trust it. It's not going anywhere. Today I'm putting a new tire on the back wheel, so I'm getting some good use out of the stand. And I use the stand if I want to clean, lube the chains, that sort of thing. Just little things that I can do in the garage. Otherwise, I take it to a bike shop, let the pros do it. But I love the feeling of doing it myself, and I love the look of a new tire, and it'll feel great. Can't wait for tomorrow morning. Do another ride. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage today, and I hope to see you again. Please like, subscribe, and you take care.